Hey, welcome. I hope you're loving these meditations. I have to tell you, I'm enjoying every single one of them. Working with y'all and just being present in the centering is really, really beautiful. So let's just center before we actually dive into the meditation. So go ahead and close your eyes and just fall deeply into your breathing, inhaling and exhaling. Belly rises and belly falls. With the eyes closed, just let the breath and body become one. So there's a slow breath in when your chest and abdomen lift. The long breath out when your belly falls deeply, deeply, deeply. Inhaling and exhaling. Breathe in, breathe out. With every breath, we've been together for over a week now. You'll actually find a surge of energy if you allow yourself to. Remembering all the little techniques we've tried so far, from the clouds to body scans, to just being present in the heart, counting the breathing. The more techniques you have, the more you have at your fingertips. Knowing that one day, one technique will work, another day, a different one. But if your desire to center is strong, you will not fail. If your desire to find spirit is strong, you will not fail. The love that spirit has from us, they say, is 1 billion times, if not more powerful than the love a parent has for a child. So just thinking about that concept for a minute. There's that much love from non-physical to us. And breathe. As you stay centered here, I'm going to do a bit of teaching. You're welcome to open your eyes or just stay in the low, slow flow of breath. The biggest mistake that we ever make in our lives is the thought that we're not worthy. The biggest mistake we ever make in our life is the thought that we're not enough. The biggest mistake we'll ever make in our lives is that we're less than. These are very common things that the ego grabs to take us away from our truth. The truth is you are enough, you've always been enough, and there's no proving game. The truth is you are of love, born of love, and will always be love. The truth is your consciousness is infinite, your ability to manifest and create is infinite, and you're infinitely powerful. The last truth, no, there's a lot more, is that you don't born and you don't die. So the soul goes on. So all of the things I'm speaking about is the expansion of your soul. You're unlimited from the moon and back. You're capable beyond belief. Yet as humans, our ego loves to play games and tell us we don't count, we don't matter, and all of that stuff. And just breathe. So this meditation, if you've ever studied me, taken any of my classes, one of my big things is to speak about forgiveness. Forgiveness is the first step towards actually discovering your truth. We did forgiveness yesterday when we dropped it off at the altar. Today we're going to work with a bit of the oponopono meditation, ancient Hawaiian prayer with lots of history, which I won't go into, which is simply 4 lines. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. And thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. And thank you. In a minute, we'll break down this meditation and what you want to understand about this meditation is my understanding it's the highest level of forgiveness prayer that exists. This is you're asking your higher self for forgiveness. So you're simply saying, let's look at the worthiness piece. Higher self, I am sorry. Please forgive me for ever thinking I wasn't worthwhile. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry, higher self. Please forgive me for ever thinking I wasn't enough. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Now, for the next few minutes, as my voice gets quieter, I'm going to encourage you to keep that mantra, that chant going. 4 simple statements. I'll repeat them a few times in case you forget throughout this time together. Even if you don't know what you're sorry for, even if you don't know who you're talking to, even if you're not even sure, if you just follow this prayer, I guarantee you will feel better. Doesn't matter if you mix up the lines, nothing matters. So go ahead and close your eyes. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Continue on your own. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep going. Slow the breathing down. You may want to continue this meditation on your own, or even as I teach this last part of the class. The idea of forgiveness, like we discovered yesterday, is that when you forgive yourself for a thought, you're essentially saying, I give up this idea that I was not enough. You're giving it to the universe. Essentially, what you get back is unconditional love. You get the truth of your worth. So given that with this Ho'oponopono, I guided you into worthiness, let's go into this last part of meditation to cement in that worthiness. With your eyes closed, soften your shoulders down. Open the back of your neck. Sense the breath growing deeper and slower. And take all your focus inside. Slow the breathing down. Beautiful. Now, if you wish to place one hand on your heart and the other one on top, go ahead. When you call in your guides, your wise guide, your Holy Spirit, whatever you call it, there's an instant connection with your heart. And we tend to hold this worthiness wound in our solar plexus in our heart. So your hands above your heart, playing with an affirmation like this. I am as God created me. I am as God created me. I am as love created me. I am as love created me. I am as God created me. I am as God created me. I am as love created me. I am as love created me. Carrying this mantra, this affirmation on your own, and seeing if you can actually feel it as it settles into your heart. This meditation from A Course in Miracles really speaks to the truth of who you are in the divine, not referring to your personality or ego or that part of you that you created along the way, but your truth, your essence, your divine love. Staying slower in the breath. I am as God created me. I am as love created me. I am as Spirit created me. And the more you repeat these affirmations, the more your heart may start to feel like it's a sweat, like swelling in a good way. You might start to feel a wholeness inside of you. Maybe more ease in your shoulders and your neck. And just slow down the breathing. Now again, for the next few minutes, my voice will quiet with the simpler reminders. I am as God created me. And just keep breathing. Try to deepen the breath with the statements. I am as love created me. Slow down the breathing. Now my voice is going to get quiet and fade off into the distance. And you know my suggestion. Stay here longer. Embrace this feeling. Stoke it. Be present to it. I'm sending you a beautiful, beautiful, massive hug and so much love. Namaste.